now I'm finishing my dinner. Bread. Oh, come on. I'm terrible with this camera. I wish Sean would have helped me with the filming, but anyway. This is a tip on how to do your dishes, but I'm going to ask a question. Do you all let your dishes sit for a while? You know, let the flavor, you know, like let them soak in, you know, I am tongue-tied and I hate that. Dishwater and stuff, and like I let them sit for 10 to 15 minutes when I do that, you know. But if you don't do it, do you think it works better for you? I mean, because some people tell me, you know, but I'll just say that I'm on the side of I let mine set. So just asking a question, but gotta go home, make more. Love you, babies. Bye.